Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram Messenger update is not working. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to update Instagram Messenger but it's not working, here we're going to go out from Instagram and open up our settings. Now we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on Apps option. Then choose the second option, Manage Apps. Here we're gonna scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. And now we're gonna tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache, and Confirm. And after that, go back and try to update Instagram Messenger and your problem should be solved. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!